Yells.
What it do, what it do, what it do. What's going on, everybody? Big Country here. And today I'm going to show you how you can set up a Minecraft server with your Belkin router settings and the fix to the failed to bind port error. I recently had this error, this problem, and it took me forever to find the answer. It seemed like nobody could actually, I looked all over the place for the answer. In the videos that I found, I couldn't find everything that I wanted in one video. So I figured if I'm the only one, I can't be the only one having this trouble. So I'm going to show you the quick and easy. I'm telling you, it's painless. First thing you need to do is go to Minecraft.net. Click download right here. Go down here to multiplayer server. If you are playing on Windows, it's minecraftserver.exe. And if you're a Mac, I think it's down here, this Minecraft server jar. Once that is downloaded, make a new folder for it. Actually, what I have a folder right here for everything Minecraft. And what I have in here is I got the patcher. I got my .minecraft folder, which is from your %app data. I got any maps that I plan on coming up, and I have my server. This is my server right here. What you want to do is once you download the Minecraft server exe, run it for the first time, and then stop it. Once you run it, it's going to have all this information, right? It's going to have all these files right here. The important one for you is this properties file. This right here is exactly where all the information is. We'll get to that here in a moment. First thing you're going to need to do after you download this to start a server is go into your router. You need to open some ports. This is for the Belkin 192.168.2.1. Go into, under your firewall, virtual servers. Put in whatever it is you got to put in here, and then go in here. Now you need to have 2 ports set up. Enable 1 and 2. Name them both. Name one of them Minecraft 1, the other Minecraft 2. Your inbound port for both will be 25565. First one is going to be type TCP. The second one is going to be type UDP. Now your private IP address is individual for everybody. So hit your start button, open up your command by typing CMD right there, hit enter. And then when you get on this screen, type in ipconfig, no space. It's IP like internet provider, ipconfig. And when you scroll up a little bit, you're going to need to get this right here under the wireless LAN adapter, wireless network connection. The IPv4 address, 192.168.2.8 is mine. Your firewall right here will tell you the first part of it. You're going to figure out what that last number is. Mine in this case is 8. So you'll put yours on each of those. And your private port is also 25565. When you go to apply changes, your router's going to reset. You're going to reconnect and all that stuff. So once it comes back up, your router, your Belkin router is ready to start a Minecraft server. Now go back into your server folder where you made your server. Go into your server properties. You're going to go down through here. By default, the level name is going to be 0, and this is going to say Minecraft server instead of Big Country server. But my level name right now is the Tourist because I have put a challenge or adventure map on my server, me and somebody is doing right now. So go down through here. You're going to see enable query, leave everything default. See right here is where the server port is, 25565. That's the Minecraft server port. We'll leave your level type default. Level seed, you can put a specific seed in there if you want. Server IP. Now here's the issue. The IP address, if you don't know what your IP address, go to this website, which is whatismyip.com. When you get there, it's going to tell you what your IP address is. That's it right there. Now, here's the issue. I remember when I had a server one time before, I had to put that in there. So I went in there, and I was putting that in there now, and every time I would start my server, I would getting a fail to bind port error. Perhaps the server is already running for whatever reason. I did not know why, and I still don't know why. However, just leave this blank. Leave it blank. If you keep getting that error with your IP address in here, leave it blank. Okay, and you'll see what happens here in a minute. You can turn whitelist on true to where nobody can connect to you at all if you have it whitelisted only. Difficulty 0 is peaceful, 1, 2, and 3. Game mode 0 is survival, 1 is creative. Set your max players and set all this other stuff, and this is your motto, which is what it says when someone connects to your server at the bottom. After you do whatever changes you're going to do, just close it, click save, double click on your Minecraft server, and run it. See, it's preparing. See, it'll say done. Now, when you go into my server, I'm just going to show you real quick. I mean, that's all there is to it, because all you got to do, since you did not have to put your IP address into the properties file, right here. See, this is my server. I named it BCTV server, and you notice what it do. That's what I say. But I just started my server. All you got to know is the IP address. You know your IP address. You tell your buddy your IP address, and they will be able to connect. Now, if you have it set for whitelist, nobody can connect at all. I don't have mine set for whitelist. People can connect, but they will not be able to do anything until I give the command. So right now, let's go into my little world real quick. See, I'm in a ooh, and it's thundering and lightning in here. So I'm in an adventure map right now that I need to not actually be into. Ooh, Colormatic. Imagine that, right? So anyway, yeah, that's it. That's all there is to it. Let me stop my server. Anytime you go into your server and when you want to stop it, you want to type in STOP. It'll save your chunks and it'll back out. It'll be done. And I'll tell you what, stay tuned for the next video. And matter of fact, I'll just tell you now. You want to know how you add different worlds, different maps, survival maps, co-op, adventure maps, whatever? Here's how you do it. Because you notice this right here, it's got the tourist. By default, by starting your server, it's going to have a whole world server called World. And when you go into your server, where it says level name, it will also say World. Now, if you want to put a specific map in there, right-click on the World folder and delete it. Insert whatever map that you want in here, and whatever that map name is, you have to put it right here under level name. Once you make those changes, hit save, go into your spawn, or you can go into the server, but you got to remember, if you're doing survival maps or adventure maps, the spawn from a server is not the same as the actual game. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to load that map up in solo single player first, get the coordinates of where the starting points are for that map, and then when you go to the server, because you're going to spawn some crazy place, when you get to the server part of it, then you'll know where the coordinates are to go start the map. So anyway, guys, there you go. I hope everything it makes it easier on you, like it did not me, because it took me a while to figure it out. 4 days of headache to figure that crap out. So leave me some comments below if you have any questions. It shouldn't be too hard. I broke it down for you as easy as I could. So, but if you have any questions, leave me some comments down below. And country out.